Hello everybody, and I have good news because today I assembled the boat in Ldoe. Now this is kind of a long story on how I got it, etc., but does not matter. I got the boat and it's all that matters. Now I did forget to record the part where I actually get the last piece of acids that I needed and actually end up assembling the boat. But I have it and it's at the port and I'm happy because now that I have the boat I can do the island region chapter. And I'm pretty happy for that too because I've been preparing for it for quite a while. All this year I've been preparing for it and yeah. Water break. I ended up getting it, which made it pretty good. I have pretty good preparation. I have a stack of that infected leather I need, the hides. I have a lot of those. Basically, I have everything. And maybe at the end of the month or two, I'll probably get to fight the Concilium boss. Now, I heard people say that he's a very hard boss. I want to believe that. And yeah. I'm just happy. Because I grinded for way too much. And honestly, I'm really happy. Here, I'm at the port. I got the boat. Now I'm going to have to fight the lighthouse keeper. I know it because I watched a tutorial. And yeah, and I figured out that the lighthouse keeper is basically going to be like that boss from that one location that I always forget the name of. And yeah. And I'm pretty happy. You know why? Because they're adding more stuff to the game. Yeah, they're adding a lot of stuff to the game now. See, Conquering Heights. Isn't Conquering Heights a mission all the way in air support? Oh, it's New Heights. Oh no, it is Conquering Heights. Huh. Okay, Conquering Heights. Chris, I'm almost ready to go, but first we need to figure out what's the... Shut up, dude. You know nothing about it. I kind of love the animation. Aw, man, it only happens the first time? What? Basically, while I was not recording, it would actually show you driving away in your boat. Yeah. No, it doesn't. That's very sad. Now, will it let me go to the sand? Oh, the sand quarry is locked? I don't think it used to be locked before, actually. Before, back in the good old days, it was actually open. You did not need anything. I like the Island Watch Towers, render thing. I just like it. Honestly, I like the island region vibes, but I do not like the actual game. I like the gameplay, but daily tasks and all the grind you have to do, so I don't like it. Now, I don't want to be like those people who complain about there being grind in a survival video game, but at the exact same time, you get my point. Probably not, but okay, let me crack my knuckles. Yeah, it should be comfortable to kill the lighthouse keeper, or should I say to diddle the lighthouse keeper. Meganoid. How much damage does a shotgun do? 10? Oh my god, that's 37. Holy crap, I hate this guy. M16 does kind of a good job at him. Oh my god, I hate him. Why does he exist? Oh my goodness, I hate him. How much do they pay you, lighthouse keeper? I'll pay you more if you let me kill you. Yeah, why can't developers just add a new creative boss that does not just spam his attacks? I don't think I'm the only person who made that statement in the past. How come there's nothing creative? We just cannot have a boss. Oh my god. The spores almost diddled me. Yes. Oh, you stupid thing. Why are the spores do 4 damage a second? Does it remind me of that electric fence from... Oh my god, and he made me waste 2 of my guns. Now they're broken. Okay, what do I do now? Sprouts of... Can I repair this? Wait, it says I can, but I can't. Now, can I collect seaweed here? Because this crap's all brand new to me, so I'm just wondering if I could collect seaweed. Because I know you used to be able to collect seaweed in this place. Now I just realized your guy in this game, your character, he can build an ATV on his own. He can, or should I say a tank, because ATV is really just a tank, plus you could attach a turret to it during that one update. And your guy can even build himself a boat, a bike. But he cannot build a helicopter. Or he cannot do a trolley. He cannot fix the trolleys that's broken. I'm sorry, you can build yourself a boat. Basically everything in the world, but you cannot do that. It's a little embarrassing. But honestly, I love the amount of stuff we unlock here. It's cool, okay? It's very easy to make me excited about stuff that's not really special at all. Okay, and I get pretty excited when I see stuff like this. I mean, this is an entire new... I unlocked 5 new locations. 2 of them are useless, but okay. I unlocked 3 locations. You know, I am happy. And if I am happy, then it's a functional update. If me no happy, update sucks. Kill it. But oh my gosh. I was watching YouTube tutorials and I saw that you can get ambushed here really often by spore spitters. Oh, a shovel. Blah blah blah. Crazy man talking. Crazy man talking. Bam! Fa fa fa. Fa 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 fa. Fa fa fa. Fa 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 fa. Fa 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 fa. Okay, clear out 4 more zombies. I don't like the clear out zombies types of tasks. I find them boring. Okay, here you are, Chubby. You want another ice cream, Chubby? Of course you do, mister. This is because you are... Oh, whoa, these spores deer don't have resistance. Oh, holy crap, they stunned me. This is because the deer are yellow. Yes, that's a good excuse. Blame the deer because they're yellow. Bah! I hate how fast the toxic spitters attack. No, actually, these spore deer are nice. I like killing them. I don't know why it makes me happy. It relaxes me whenever I kill a spore deer. It sounds weird as hell. Bah! 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 Honestly, I'm just so excited. I'm pumped. I love this. I love this new update. I'm gonna get seaweed in here, Nida. Seaweed and iodine. Oh my god, how many? This is, oh my goodness. Where are all these guys coming from? Why are you attacking me, spore deer? What did I do to you, Mr. Deer? Did I touch you? Did I do something to you? Oh my gosh! You actually you do not know what you're doing. You're brain dead, and you're a chud. Oh my god! I think I just broke the shovel. I feel like the shovel might break before I get all the sand. Actually, I prefer not to look at the shovel while it's being destroyed. How does a shovel break from digging sand? Actually, I just realized that makes no sense. How do you break something by digging? I mean, like, if you were digging, like, iron, like in Minecraft, like, that would make sense, but, like, you're digging sand. Come on. Unless this is some acid sand that we've never heard of, this just makes no sense. Speaking of makes no sense, how does a shotgun do the same damage as a crossbow? No, but how do both do the same damage? Except one that does actually more damage to armored enemies. And that's actually a crossbow, I'm pretty sure. Okay, I need my one more sand. Okay, Chris, it does not take that long to get a sensor set up. I know it's because there's a daily task that actually requires you to do it. And it takes like 3 seconds, okay? I'm just telling y'all. Bang. Okay, this armor is breaking, right? Yes. But, like, I have like 3 more of these military sets at home, plus I have one in the inbox. And I guess it is my fault that I'm using the wrong armor here. Yeah, Knav's gonna tell me to craft that special armor. Stupid thing. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. I'm on. Okay. This makes no sense. Basically, I finished. Basically, the thing is, here's what happened. Basically, I progressed far enough in the story to the point that the game thinks I did all of this already and that, like, I should already have my rewards. In reality, like, I don't actually have a lot of this stuff, so, like, the game is confused, like, what's happening. Like, I'm just gonna get a little bit more sand, because this is a free shovel. I might as well break it here. Because his bloat is protecting his sand here. I'm gonna get the sand. Can I just take it here? Oh, it broke. I hate it. I hate you, Mr. Shovel. Apparently it's my fault. Oh my gosh, I hate that these deer can stun, y'all. I'm not the only one who hates the fact that these deer can stun. Like, why can deer even stun you in this game? Bang. Bang. Oh my gosh. No, no, heal up, you stupid Barbariana. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Chase after the deer. Bam. Bang. Okay, I'm out. I'm actually out. Boop. I swear, if I don't have enough energy and I can't go home because of that, I'm done. I already know what the next task is going to be. Oh, go craft yourself a whole entire set of armor. And then also craft yourself a pistol. And some inhalers. And then... what is this? What is this off? Why is he sitting like that? Oh, so I require 30 copper too. Well, oh wow. Heck. Oh, that's interesting. Also, I refuse to believe that this shit takes 48 fuel. Like, I refuse to believe it. Also, I'm so happy that the Port Lab event's ending. Go home, okay. I think I'm gonna get my bike. I don't think my bike will be here, though. Yes, I think it just kind of deletes itself. And yeah. Yeah. Honestly, I'm really happy. I might not sound happy that I got all this stuff, but honestly, I'm really happy. Because I've been grinding for this for so long. And yeah. Can't. I can't describe my happiness. Yeah, this is one of the best things I've had in a game. It's also one of the rarest things I have in the game. And look, I know the next step is gonna take me a while. Also, please subscribe. It will help me out. Yeah, just please subscribe to this channel. It makes me happy and it helps me. So happy. I can't. I was grinding for this for so long. And I know the next task will take me forever as again, but I'm happy. I can't. I'm so happy. I'm gonna explode. I feel like exploding. Okay, now let's do it. Craft thick leather. Oh, and now this entire area is open. It used to be all like full to the brim. Bang. I just built a wall. My goal actually makes that be like a 3x3 area of mine. But that might not be so, like, that might be a while. I don't know why it keeps telling me to craft glass. Look, I'm gonna be honest, I don't think any of the things in the region even require glass. I don't think they require glass at all. Like, I'm gonna look here, okay? These are like the island region items, okay? So, this, no glass, no glass. Oh, wait, why does it ask me to get 4 pieces of glass? But it makes no sense. Guess what the hell do these things require lenses? Please, game, why do I need to craft lenses now? What do lenses even do in this stupid game? Actually, what do lenses do? I have like none, and for good reasons. They do not do anything. I actually started a new account, and there I actually got quite a lot of lenses, and I did not know what to do with them because they don't do anything. So yeah. Also, I'm pretty happy with the cat update because now I can get infinite oak. So yeah. Also, I never knew this, but you can apparently fish in scouting locations. It's funny, but it's cool. First of all, I am going to find I'm gonna go here and give myself some boop, 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 boop. Like this. And leave. Okay, now I'm just gonna do this thing. Yeah. I'm just really happy. I love this update. First of all, is it gonna let me skip? Okay. You know what I'll do instead? I'll go to build stone walls here. Boop. I ran out of bricks, but all I need is 1 and 2 more. Well, I just need 2 more. First of all, how am I doing, you know? You know what? I'm just gonna collect my fines. I could evict it now and have 100% chance, like, getting that stuff. But I'm just gonna get my 6 other fish to put them in here just because I like fish. I forgot I opened this up. This is actually how I got the boat. Oh, I have 7 glass. Oh my. Oh! You know, I'm actually starting to really like these. Is acid a pain in the eye to find? Of course, yes. Why not make it be one? But it's still fun. I don't know why. This game is fun, honestly. Okay, I'm actually gonna take this. I'm gonna just delete some. Why is... I just realized that is a recycler. Okay, I'm just gonna I'm gonna do a crap lot of off-camera grinding because obviously, you know, goodbye.